Stitchery, the cross stitch. The cross stitch requires a lot of counting. To begin the cross stitch, I'm going to come up, and this is going to be the left corner of my cross stitch. I'm going to count over 4 holes and up 4 holes to go under. This will give me my first diagonal of my X. From there, I'm going to count down 4 holes and across 4 holes, kind of where the two intersect. And then I'm finding where the lines intersect here at the top corner and going under. That first X is really your hardest X, because from there, I just come up 1 hole next to where I was. And I'm pulling all the way up. And then I'm counting over 4 and up 4 to go down to create my first diagonal. And from there, I'm finding where those 2 lines kind of intersect there, and I come up and I go down 1 hole next to my first X. And again, I'm going to keep doing this pattern over and over again. So I'm coming up 1 hole next to where I was, pulling all the way up. Then I'm going to count over 4 holes and up 4 holes. I should stay on that same row at the top. That's my first diagonal. Then I find where the lines intersect to pull up, and going down 1 hole next to where I was before. If you are doing this stitch correctly, the stitches should stay the same size. This will require changing yarn often so that you're not pulling on yarn just to finish the stitch.